Hi everyone, welcome to Unacademy Neat English. I'm your biology educator Ambika Sharma, and in today's video I'm going to tell you the most important 120 plus topics. So here in this video I have covered the important topics from physics, chemistry as well as from biology. As I said, these are the topics, not the chapters. So I know some students, they start their preparation late and at this point of time yet they are confused what to do, what not to do. So this video is going to be really helpful, right? So 120 plus topics are there. They are and these are the topics from where, as per the previous year papers, many questions they have come from these topics. So you make sure you revise it. If you have completed your syllabus, right, and in that case, if you're looking for a revision plan, then you know that obviously the entire syllabus is important. But let's suppose if you are struggling with the syllabus completion and you are not you are thinking that you might not be able to finish it till your exam, so it's better to complete the important topics at this point of time. Okay, so let's get started. So I will start with the chemistry first. Okay, so for these topics and everything, yes, I have checked some videos from some experts. As per that, I have gathered the information and it is in front of you. Is that clear? Is that clear? So we are going to start with the chemistry. So when we talk about the chemistry, the very first thing is what? The very first thing is from the organic chemistry. Obviously, you really need to know all the name reactions, so you better make the short notes for that. So here you guys can see, if I talk about the chemical bonding, so bond parameters, hybridization, molecular orbital theory, very important, right? From the chapter redox, so oxidation number, balancing. From P block, some general trends, they are very important. Then thermodynamics, internal energy, work done, entropy, enthalpy. And from the equilibrium, you people will have laws of mass action, ionization of acid and base, solubility product. So it is there. Then from atomic structure, Bohr's model, right, the quantum number, Planck theory, classification of elements, ionization energy, electronegativity, they are the important topics. From coordination, you have VVT, you have CFT, you have isomerism, and you have nomenclature as well. So DNF block, oxidation state, lanthanoids, and then you have KMNO4, K2Cr2O7. And from mole concept, concentration terms, limiting reagents, stoichiometry, calculation, these are the important topics, right, students? So when you see this particular part, that is from the solutions. So solutions, you have colligated properties, Henry's law, Raoult's law. From electrochemistry, you have the Nernst equation, Faraday's law. Secondary batteries are there. From chemical kinetics, you have the Arrhenius equation, graphs, first order reaction, right? And from haloalkanes, you have SN1, SN2 reactions, right? Then chemical properties, allylic, benzylic, arylic. And from this aldehyde, ketone, and carboxylic acid, you have chemical properties. From amines, testa, very important. Chemical properties are important, and disonium salts are very important. Is that clear? Is that clear? So it is from the chemistry. From GOC, because obviously it is also lengthy, these are the basics. So you have carbocation, free radical, carbon ion, nucleophilic substitution reaction, and beta elimination reaction. These are the repeated topics from where you can get the questions. And then you have the hydrocarbons. So aromaticity, conformations, reaction of alkenes are also there, guys. Now let's talk about the physics. So I'll share the PDF in the Telegram group. So as I said, I have checked the videos from some experts, right? Then obviously cross-checked it, and on the basis of that, I'm presenting it in front of you, right? So when it comes to the physics, these are the important topics. Yeah, here the number of topics are more, but this can, right, this can assure your minimum 35 30 to 35 question you guys can get from these topics. Okay, so here you guys can see dimensions, dimensional analysis, work done in different processes, distance, displacement, velocity and speed, momentum and force, power, kinematic equation, collision, gravitational acceleration, modulus of elasticity, heat transfer, moment of inertia, and radius of gyration, basics of laws of thermodynamics. There are various laws as well. So heat engine and refrigerator, SHM, electric potential, organ pipes and air columns, combination of resistors, and Ohm's law, application electrical power, AC across LCR, magnetic field due to different elements, EM wave equation, or displacement current. You can get one question out of this. Optical instruments, refraction and dispersion because of prism, tele or microscope, one question you guys can expect from this part. Then polarization or diffraction, one question here. Photoelectric effect, de Broglie wavelength, work, functional properties of photon, radioactivity, lower transistors, logic gates, PN junction या rectifier, types of semiconductor biasing theory. So YDSC या interference, power factor, then transformers, Biot-Savart's या Ampere's law, force formula, meter bridge या Wheatstone bridge, resistivity, conductivity, Kirchhoff's law. Then you have R equivalent power theory, C equivalent dielectric, and then this is the list here, right? From atom, spectral series, Bohr's model, mass defect. So from this part also you guys can get the question. So you can see that topics, right? Now when we talk about the biology chapter wise, because obviously you know that you should at least try to get 330 marks. Overall biology is very important. If you plan your studies, then obviously you can score very good, because to qualify the entrance exam, the confidence is required, the consistency is required, proper syllabus management is also required along with the paper attemptation. So if you don't have time, you're struggling with that, you can just look at these most important topics. But overall we have to study the complete biology, but still chapter wise analysis is also given to you here. So you guys can see that just biological classification, fungi, the diagrams, all the diagrams, their detail is important. Plant kingdom mein most important is algae. Animal kingdom mein, if you remember, basis of classification and the examples questions, if you solve question on the basis of examples, right, along with these classification, and just pick up the peculiar feature of all the phylums, it will be done. From morphology, flower part is very important, aestivation, placentation, examples we cannot skip. And because Brassicaceae, the floral diagram and formula is given in the NCERT, so you can just pick up that. For other families, just focus on the floral formula and the floral diagram, you can manage that. Then from anatomy, the sections, their comparison, very easy, doable within, I would say, in 2 hours, even if you are doing it for the first time. From structural organization, frog, even cockroach may, you know that mainly it is frog, but in syllabus they have mentioned insect, in bracket it is frog. So for cockroach, just go for the PYQ. For frog, NCERT main is from the reproduction part, but still read this, solve the PYQs on the basis of that. From the tissue part, from the connective tissue, which one is dense, irregular, dense, regular, such examples are important. Epithelial tissue examples are important, right? Cell, endomembrane system, cytoskeleton, cilia, flagella, details you should know, right? Even the membrane you should know. Then biomolecules, enzymes, very important, about the proteins, primary and secondary metabolites. From cell cycle, the complete chapter is important, and these are the most important topics. From photosynthesis, do remember PS1, PS2, where are they involved, Z scheme in context with that, and C3, C4 cycle, in which step how many ATPs are used, that is also something you have to remember. Then from respiration, comparatively easy, follow the NCERT diagrams from this particular part, right? ATP calculation, in the NCERT it is even mentioned incorrectly, you can follow my video for that. Fermentation reactions, Krebs cycle, with a trick you can do it, you can find the trick on my channel as well. So which one is the acceptor, substrate entrant, acceptor, which one is the first stable product, such type of question can come from this and this part. Okay, so glycolysis, which steps will show you even in Krebs cycle, substrate level phosphorylation, focus on that. And for ETC, you guys can watch my short video, it is hardly for 10 minutes, it will clarify all the routes. Then from PGD, PGRs are very important, plant growth regulators, everything related to that completed. The table is given there regarding the development, where all that plasmatic growth and everything is mentioned, do finish it. From breathing and exchange of gases, overall the chapter is important, including its mechanism, the chloride shift, disorders from all the chapters of human physiology, very, very, very important. And here you guys can see oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve, transportation of gases, etc, etc. So these are the topics which you can see on your screen. You guys can discuss that, you guys can read that, you guys can revise that. The content will be available on an Academy NEET English channel, so you people can see that. So I have mentioned all the important topics here. All the important topics I have mentioned. POIV, MBOI, overall very important, but still, from this part also, I have tried to mention all the most important topics. So these are the one which you are not allowed to skip at any cost. Are you getting my point? So evolution is there, right? Microbes, complete chapter is important. Just solve the PYQ, sewage treatment, bioactive compounds, but for microbes, just solve the PYQs. It will be done. Last 10 years PYQs, it will be done. Same for the ecology. I have mentioned the most important topics, right? So you guys can see there, and trust me, these are the most repeated one. You guys can even check that too. So just boost your confidence, just stay focused. You can crack it, utilize this time properly, right? Even if, let's suppose, utilize this time properly. If you think that, ma'am, maybe I will not be able to crack it, it's okay. If you will give your best effort this time now, you will have the clarity whether you want to go for the NEET or not. This is what you are going to realize. So value your time, give your best. I know you can do it. Just stay tuned to Unacademy NEET English. And even we have started our 1 year course as well, right? Those who just took,
Hi everyone, welcome to Unacademy.
those who just took admission in the class 12, they can enroll there. The class 12 syllabus will be finished. Along with that, even 11 at the end will be finished. So here you will find the link for the batches as well. So this is all about this. So keep watching Unacademy NEET English and do revise these topics. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you.